Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon in Germany. First, let's get your account set up. You can either create a new Amazon, do account, or simply use your existing Amazon credentials from another country. Just make sure your delivery address is correctly set to a location within Germany. You can also easily switch the website language to English or another preferred option for a smoother experience. Once your account is ready, finding products is straightforward. Use the search bar at the top or explore the many categories available. Always check the seller details and customer reviews to ensure a good purchase. When you're ready to buy, Amazon offers several convenient payment options, including major credit cards and even direct debit from a German bank account. Amazon provides various shipping choices to suit your needs. You can opt for standard delivery, which typically takes a few business days, or faster express options. If you're a frequent shopper, consider Amazon Prime for free, fast shipping on eligible items. You can easily track your order's progress directly from your account, giving you peace of mind until it arrives at your doorstep. Should you need to return an item, Amazon makes the process simple. Most items can be returned within 30 days of receipt through your order history. Just print the provided return label and drop the package off at a local post office or designated collection point. For any questions or concerns, their customer service team is readily available via chat, email, or phone to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.